6 of the 10 fastest growing economies in the world are from Africa. By 2025, Africa's population is going to be more than China. Between 2010 and 2016, there were about 320 embassies opened in Africa, which tells you how the world looks at Africa. And then the big thing that has happened in Africa over the past couple of years has been the signing of the Africa Continental Trade Agreement. And all these issues come together to tell you how big the potential for development across the continent is, which the whole world is recognizing. There are a couple of things that Africa needs to do to be able to build a financial market that supports its development. One of the first key things to do is to really move away from protectionism to a regime of collaboration. Instead of really protecting your market against people coming in, actually make it easy for other people to come in. And also for individual countries across the continent to work together in building common platforms, because with that we are able to build a formidable regional kind of capital markets that facilitates people who want to come into the continent and come and invest in. The second thing is really for Africa to prioritize the build-up of a trading and settlement platform that makes it easy for investors who want to invest in Africa to actually come into the continent and invest. And by doing that, you actually prop up liquidity. You make it easy for people to bring capital into your market, capital which you need to be able to grow. And then the last thing really is for Africa to deliberately make its capital market activities more transparent, right? And come to a point of publishing more data, for example. Transparency is quite key for investors who look at Africa as an investment destination. And therefore, if you put all these things together and Africa prioritizes some of these things, we believe that Africa will be able to mobilize the necessary funding required for development.